Okay, hello everyone. 这样才搞得定吗？有。Hello everyone. Sorry. Okay. That's in this direction. Okay, in vertical. Hello everyone. Hello everyone. This is Baker. Saturday, December 7th. This afternoon, December 7th, Saturday, 2024. Baker, export sales manager. I'm an export sales manager. Introducing our spring forming machine, special, typical, special know-how, and some of tailor-made products. Okay, firstly, this is the machine lady completed sampling over 5 items, and the last item also completed, and the tools still on the machine on the work panel. Product this 1.6 stainless steel wire forming products. Stainless steel wire forming products. Sampling rate 8 to 10 pieces per minute. 8 to 10 pieces per minute. Okay, firstly, this is the Camelis 11 axis. Camelis 11 axis. No wire rotary. 11 axis. Cameras every 8, all 8 axis handle, 8 handle, one by one, direct controlled by servo motor. And the coil, the spinner, the wire feeding. So total 11 axis, 11 servo motor, 11 servo motor and a server. 关掉了吗？姐？吴总，这个店关掉了吗？我说这个店关掉了吗？哦 Okay, yeah, this machine is turned on. Here, the control system and present the English style, 11 axis, X1, X8, Y for wire rotary, B for the spinner, and Z for manger. This machine will soonest dispatch for France. Client come from France. Is well exported to France before the Christmas holiday. Before the Christmas holiday, this will go in dispatch and sampling completed. This one max for 2.5 millimeter. 2.5 millimeter. Okay, this is the machine. This is the machine key parameters, basic information about this machine. Smart because it's cameras with lots servo motor and every hand driven by servo motor directly. Key information, key parameter about this machine. And for the task like the tension, extension, torsion, pull spring, artifact, and the constant force, wire forming, conveyor belt, leather belt, wire mesh. Okay, I'll show you one by one. Firstly, like this, the tension, the pull spring, extension spring, central hook, or side hook, central hook or side hook, British style or German style, extension spring, torsion spring as well the torsion spring. The torsion. This is a typical torsion spring made by this machine. The torsion spring. The torsion spring is like using in the in the tape measure, and is flat constant force spring. Flat constant force spring used in safety belt in the car seat safety belt, constant force spring. Flat stainless steel flat strip constant force spiral spring. And the pull spring, the constant force spring, okay. And for example, this one at output rate about 7 to 9 pieces, 7 to 9 or around 10 pieces per minute. Articraft wire forming product, wire bending, wire forming products. This like English Premier League soccer, the trophy of English Premier League, like this, 1.6 millimeter, late about 12 to 15 pieces per minute. 12 to 15 pieces per minute. This one. This very close look like English Premier League trophy. And the wire forming products. Wire forming products. This one like wire forming products. This flat spiral wire mesh. The conveyor belt, this conveyor belt, 2.5 stainless steel, 40 centimeter, single hook at both edge, single loop at both edge, 40 centimeter, 16 to 18 seconds per piece by this machine. And the one weaved together, piece by piece, weaved together, then meter by meter extended as the length, as the single length can be made different mostly the conveyor belt, this one 40 centimeter to 1.2 meter, and this one in my hand waved together and single loop. You can see the constant force. We made a lot of deal and exported the machine to all the continents, all the 5 continents: Europe, Asia, Oceania, America, and and Africa. This so this for the conveyor belt, we had export over 32 countries, and the machine over quantity for task for client using for making conveyor belts over 32 countries, as like Serbia, Spain, Japan, South Korea, Thailand, Vietnam, India, Australia, a lot of countries. This we also occupy. We also the the largest provider for this industry, intensive area. A lot of our, a lot of manufacturer for this using our machine. Okay, using our machine. This is the conveyor belt to make this with the stand, with the supporting stand. We can make it as the wide, as the length, as wide as like 1.5 meter, 2 meter, or 2.5 meter as even. Okay, I show you the example like this. One single unit, 1.5 meter, 1.5 meter, this one. Wire thick, 2.5 millimeter, stainless steel, length, single unit, length 1.5 meter. And this one uh, need the time about 70 seconds per piece, 70 seconds per this unit, 2.5 millimeter, 1.5 meter, and stainless steel single loop at both edge. This one we made a lot of deal to for the client must using to make chocolate coating, well mesh chocolate coating, chocolate enveloping conveyor belt. Okay, this is the model. This model, the products made by this machine. Okay, we have introduced the first item. Meanwhile, we have the similar similar machines, cameras without wire lottery or with wire lottery. You can see the 4 items on this page. Number 1 and number 2, cameras no wire lottery, and number 3, number 4 with wire lottery. So this covering the wire length 0.2 max to 8 millimeter in this page. For a lot of different using field and using purpose to make different products for the spring, traditional, regular, or special, for wire forming, for artifact, As well, we also have the solution to make this. Take a look at this flat conveyor belt, honeycomb, horseshoe conveyor belt, belt mesh, flat wire at wide 10 to 15 millimeter, thickness 1 millimeter to 1.5 millimeter. Take a look at this page. The examples as long like almost 2 meter or 2.5 meter. Meanwhile, we also have the cam type with wire lottery. In this page, 3 models covering the wire feeding wire length 0.5 to 6 millimeter, and this one 6 millimeter, 6 axis with 1 axis server sizer. Then it can also procession the iron 8 millimeter or 9 millimeter for iron 8 or 9 millimeter with the server sizer. And this page telling our something special, also like for the conveyor belt, for the plastic pipe clip. Also, we have the number 3 wire straightening machine, handle max wire 3 millimeter. This is the example of this is a smaller 3 millimeter plastic pipe clip. Fastener belong to the fastener, and this 156 millimeter overall diameter for the plastic type pipe. 3 millimeter stainless steel. And we also have the wire straightening machine, must use to make like the supermarket shopping trolley, or the household kitchenwares, the sieves, the big fence sieve, or outer grate, to using the wire straightening machine. Also, we have the thread insert making machine M2.5 to M8. So on the table, a lot of the products as a special tables are the special, like the plastic, the pipe clamp, and the wire forming products. This one in my hand by by the spring forming machine. No need wire lottery, using as the coating, the coating the coating line for the industrial, the coating, or the outdoor sports activities of for the barbecue item using for the barbecue usage. And this is the heavy duty spring machine made the lifetime lattice wire 4 to 10 millimeter carbon steel lifetime lattice agriculture purpose. And the wire bending, flat and cubic, flat and cubic, is can make at the wire forming machine. No need wire lottery even. 4 millimeter special lighting hanger, 4 millimeter spring wire. And the fishing part, ice fishing package. This is one of the ice fishing package. Okay, wire forming products. And the cushion, anti-vibration, using in the sports like the high jump cushion, anti-vibration. Also, the similar products using in the bike's seat pad, a bike the electric car's seat pad. Also in the car's seat, in front a rear seat, the car's most useful in the high jump anti-vibration cushion. And this one, this honeycomb flat conveyor belt. This. So we do a lot of regular. In our machine has the ability to making the traditional regular spring, extension, torsion, or double torsion, or pull spring. We also developed